Hi there, my name is Sylvia Gorenszach and I'm a Gel Moment independent distributor. How's everybody doing? So I'm going to cover today how to do a marbling effect. So there's two different ways of doing it. I'm going to cover one and then later on I'm going to cover another method. So this one involves having a whole bunch of different colors here and then scooping it up using this square brush that we have from our creativity set. So let's get right down to it. So obviously I can't recreate this one, but I'm hoping to recreate something similar because every time you do a marbling technique, it is going to look a little bit different. So on my nail stick here, I have a base of London Dreams. Here I have Eye to My Soul, I Pink You, Cloud 9, Trey Chic, and Smoky Sky. So what you're going to do with this brush is actually scoop up the colors onto the brush. You could do a little shimmer action just to kind of get some polishes up there. And you want to have it go up the brush. Then you're going to take your nail stick or your nail and lightly just kind of do a motion like this, placing the polish on the nail and then lightening up at the end. And then you can scoop up more colors and give the marbling effect. And do this until you get the desired look. Okay, I like the way that looks. And so basically you just move the polish around until you get the look that you like. So there's no rhyme or reason to it. There's no rules to marbling. It's going to be a bunch of random lines. And now I'm going to cure this for the full 45 seconds. Okay, this is fully cured now. So I like to add a little bit of variation of color. So I go from dark to light to dark to light and to dark again, but you can do whatever colors you like, whatever colors you think is going to go well together. If you wanted to add a little bit more sparkle in here, you could put a little bit of chandelier in here or one of our other sparkle polishes. The great thing about this is that there are no rules to marble. You can put whatever colors you like. So now stay tuned for my next method. So the next marbling technique we're going to do is a little bit different. So instead of scooping up the colors onto a brush, we're actually going to put it just on here with a dotting tool here. So I have London Dreams here, Lovey Dovey here, and Just Cruise on the nail. So let's get right to it. The first step is to apply a coat of your base color on your nail, and we're going to leave it wet. Okay. That is wet. Now we're going to leave it like that and we're not going to cure it. Next, we're going to take our dotting tool, and I have a dotting tool with two different ends here. So I have one that has a little bit of a bigger end and one that has a very fine tip here. So we're going to use both ends to create the effect that we want. So let's just turn our nail stick here, and you can start with whatever color you like. I'm just going to go with Lovey Dovey and then just start kind of swirling through and taking the smaller end and swirling through. And just keep doing this until you get the effect that you like. Okay, we're going to give this a full 45-second cure. This is fully dry now. I really like this look, and you'll see that when I actually use the dotting tool, I kept on going in the direction from the right to the left, just because that's the gradient that I wanted to have, but marble can go in all different ways. So basically you just draw and put your polish on whatever style you like. Now, thank you so much for watching the two different techniques that I have for marbling. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. Ciao, ciao.